We did not expect to spend this much at Costco today, but since it is spring break, we just decided to splurge a little bit on some different items. I did get this pack of Takis for $13.79. I also got the prawn hakoa for $13.99. I also got a bag of tortilla chips for $4.99, 2 things of vegetable oil for $10.99, and then I got some marinara sauce for $9.99. The salmon stackers was $9.99. The single pizza was $12.49. Also got party wings, which was $22.04. Also have the crispy chicken tenders that was $14.49. And then we also got the 3-pack of burrito bowls, which was $11.99. Also got the chicken and cheese flutas. Those were $14.99. Also got the 2125 shrimp for $13.89. I got some Wagyu ground beef. There's 3 packs of those for $17.99. And I also got some of the mush oats for breakfast. Those were on sale for $6.49, coming in at a grand total of $178.11. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content.